Cleaning verbs. Here are some cleaning verbs with the sentences. Sweep, to clean or clear an area of dust, dirt, or debris using a broom or brush.
She sweeps the kitchen floor every morning to keep it clean.
Mop, to clean a floor by washing or wiping it with a mop soaked in water.
I mop the bathroom floor once a week to maintain its cleanliness.
Scrub, to clean a surface by rubbing it hard with a brush or abrasive material.
She's scrubbing the paint stain on the floor.
Dust, to remove dust from surfaces using a cloth or duster.
It's important to dust the furniture regularly to keep it glossy.
Wipe, to clean or dry a surface by rubbing it with a cloth or paper towel.
Please wipe the counters after preparing food.
Polish, to make something smooth and shiny by rubbing it with a polishing agent.
She polished the body of his car until it gleamed.
Vacuum, to clean carpets and floors by using a vacuum cleaner to suck up dirt and dust.
He vacuumed the living room to remove pet hair.
Disinfect, to clean and kill germs or bacteria on surfaces to prevent the spread of disease.
It's crucial to disinfect high-touch surfaces during flu season.
Sanitize, to make something clean and free from harmful microorganisms.
The restaurant staff sanitize tables between customers.
Deodorize, to remove or mask unpleasant odors from a space or object.
They use air fresheners to deodorize the restroom.
Bleach, to whiten something using a special liquid.
She bleached the white shirts to remove stains and brighten them.
Rinse, to remove soap or cleaning agents by washing with water.
After washing dishes, be sure to rinse them thoroughly.
Degrease, to remove grease or oily residue from surfaces or objects.
I always degrease the pan after use.
Wash, to clean something with water and soap or detergent.
She washed all the dirty clothes.